What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another quick little video. Today I had some footage that I had built up over the past week or two of some different stuff that I did with some friends and just some different, I guess, vlog material that I decided to throw together for you guys and try to make a little video out of it. It's been a crazy week. I've mostly been trying to search for our new flip project, which has been taking up a lot of time, and just looking at cars and trying to figure out what to go for and trying to find something. Seems like this time of year there's never anything good for sale, but I am still on the hunt. If any of you guys want to help me out, if you find a car in the upstate western New York and maybe northern Pennsylvania area, if you know of any cars for sale like $2,000 or under, I would say that maybe need some TLC and that might make a fun little flip project for the channel. Hit me at my business email, channelcg@gmail, and I'll give you a shout out if I end up going for it. But yeah, that's been taking up a lot of time this week, and I decided, as you guys know, to kind of switch up the video schedule a little and not worry about coming out with videos like exactly on the same 2 days every week, and more focusing on just making sure I get 2 good videos out a week, at least maybe 3. So I've been kind of working on implementing that stuff and all the other stuff that we've been working on. I've got 2 different projects and 2 other videos that I'm working on literally as we speak, but I decided to release this one for you guys. I've been enjoying making more personal videos and vlogs like this where we're not focused on a project as much as we are just kind of hanging out. You get some funny moments and there's some humorous stuff, so again, I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. Hit the thumbs up button if you do, but I figured this was a good way to get started on the next couple videos, and it will allow me to get the other ones finished up for you guys. So this video starts out, we're going to be working on Joel's truck again. He got new taillights for it to match the headlight. We went ahead and threw them in, and that was a lot of fun. We were dying laughing at one point, and I don't even remember why. Gwen and Joel are really funny and just really awesome people. Then later on in the video, we went and saw my friend Colin and his new PT Cruiser. He just got a 2003 manual Cruiser as his like winter beater car, and it's really neat. So we went for a little walk around to that. And between the 2, I thought it would make kind of a fun little video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll give you guys a little bit of update at the end of the video on what is to come. So without further ado, let's get into this one. Oh God, who is this? Nice headlights though. There's the new tails. They got the same kind of ring looking thing as the front, so these are going to be like 20 times easier to install. We're not going to need 3 people to yank on the bumper to put these in. It's literally just these 2 screws in here, and then 3?
I don't know where the other one is. Maybe on the other side.
You sure about that?
Nope.
Well, we'll find out.
What up? Jimmy's a just kidding.
Ooh, oh, nice, look at that. Cute.
Very
Ew.
Clean. That one's got a lot of condensation.
Wait a minute, how the fuck? Yeah, but like, it must just plug in.
Jimmy, don't lose sight.
I'm trying not to right now, okay? But I'm losing sight.
What?
My shirt.
Oh. The one you wear in every single video?
Yes.
No, he has this pink one.
It must plug in.
The pink one was the other day, and then he...
I have a pink one that says the same thing, yeah.
It said, okay guys, it's the next day. That sweatshirt. Same
All he does
shirt.
is change the sweatshirt.
Jimmy hasn't showered in 3 days.
I take regular baths every Saturday.
Guys, it's time for my bath.
Your truck doesn't take regular baths, Jesus Christ. There's one headlight plug here.
Yeah, I don't get this actually anymore.
I think, wait. Okay, so one bulb goes in, wait. What the fuck? What are those?
Oh, there's instructions for this one.
Oh my God, are they actually helpful instructions?
I can't read.
Hi, my name is Jared.
I'm 19 and I never learned how to read.
Wait. Oh, okay, I get it now. I get that.
Yeah, me too.
Shut
That
up.
makes a whole lot.
You're
more
not
sense.
doing anything.
I am doing something. I'm peeling this
Gwen's
off.
wearing white so she can't do anything. You want to tell the people your pain and suffering?
I thought I worked at 1, so we drove over to my work, but I don't work till 4.
Take a gas later. Jesus.
I'm in
got
Spain,
the
but the S is silent. Pavement princess my ass. Wait, is it bad over here too?
What the? Yeah.
Ew. 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 Disgusting.
That's it. Break out the power washer.
Yeah.
How about that?
So we might need to. Get a first. That's the wrong side.
Well, not that first.
Awkward.
Upside down.
Alright. This is a heavy going.
The actually.
Ooh, that's gonna look fucking awesome though. One of these plugs in where one of the bulbs does. It goes in like a normal bulb, and one of them, I don't know what the hell it does. It does nothing. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Did you just yank it?
Yeah, well, you wiggle it.
give it a wiggle.
I'm scared.
Oops. I got it.
Yay! Channel CGE gets electrocuted. Do you want me to hold it?
That's what she said.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave. As you see here, there's these little slots cut out there, and then there's little slots on there. And wow, it just fits so not at all.
Oh, you have my camera. I thought you actually making a TikTok.
No, I had to put in my dance footage. What do you think?
I have to pay attention. This is my homework.
To install a spider tail light. This one has the clear lens with the black housing and the LED bar.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Wait, black to black.
No.
No, you're sticking
wrong
it,
hole.
You're sticking it at me, bro.
Jimmy, that's the one time you could have said that's what she said.
I can't fucking read it.
I broke Jimmy.
What was it? God damn it.
It's not going in.
There we go, yeah.
It's supposed to like, yeah. Oh, look at, oh.
That fit me though.
The screws. Nuts and bolts. You got it?
This really isn't screwing.
You want some help?
Yep.
Oh my god.
The next.
Well guys, it is a beautiful Saturday night. I am in Warsaw, New York. A good friend of mine, Colin, just bought a PT Cruiser as his winter car and his daily driver. It is a manual NA 2003, which I'm super excited for. It's a little bit rusty, a little bit rough around the edges, but it runs really good. He got an amazing deal. So I just wanted to pull the camera out while we check it out here. I stopped at his house after our little car meet. This is gonna be cool. It's blue! And it's got the side plate. You can't even barely see it on the camera, but oh my god. Yo, power locks too? Yeah. On a 03? Yeah. Damn, that is incredible. Yeah, see, it's got a recent inspection too. Guys, I love this color. I haven't seen this color in person in a long time. Dude, it looks so cool. I'm so happy right now. It's got like the bumper indents here too, which is kind of cool. Something you don't see super often. Got the sunroof too, I'm jealous. Yeah. Look, it's a manual. Oh my god. Gotta give it the wiggle. Yeah. Oh yeah, the battery does sound a little weak. That sounds amazing, bro. Yep. Sounds way better than mine.
Dude, if you look under it.
Oh yeah. Sounds really good. Sounds really, really good. Hey, look at the two of them together. Can't really see on the camera too well, but this is so sick though. Can I sit in it?
Yeah, go for it.
I've never sat in a manual cruiser, I don't think ever.
I haven't even adjusted the seat or anything yet, so
I just gotta I gotta do the wiggle. Hey. So cool. It looks really, really good in here though. Yeah. Like everything in the interior is mint. Dash is mint. Like sometimes they crack and stuff. The color match pieces are like mint. Bro, I love the first gen wheels. I prefer them for sure.
yeah.
Dude, I'm jealous. Little rev.
Probably not gonna do it when it's cold as always.
Dude, it sounds way better than mine though still. Like I can feel it in my chest, you know? Dude, that's so awesome.
It's gonna be a fun little manual.
Yeah, no kidding. It's gonna be, I gotta imagine they're gonna be easy to learn manual with too.
Yeah.
This is probably gonna be a light clutch, and also I found that longer shifters are easier. When they're notchy, they're a little harder to learn on.
Yeah.
At least for me, but this is Colin's first manual.
My first manual, my first PT Cruiser.
The Supra, which is hiding over there.
That one's smoking over there.
Smoking a little bit, but that's an automatic, the Supra. But now this is the manual learner. Pretty sweet. Honestly, the body didn't look bad though. When I shined my headlights on it when I pulled in,
Yeah.
like I could see the little bit of rust, but yeah, I would love to hear a pop. The color looks so good. It's in good shape
It's
too.
gonna be hard to see under there now.
Oh yeah. It does
He
have a.
said that this line right there, he said that's for the cooler. I was like,
Oh, the one that it runs underneath.
yeah, right here.
Oh,
He said it was, but I
'cause
also saw a drip of like, it looked like water from over there.
yeah.
But I don't know what would be over there that would have water pump. I mean, maybe. It was farther back though, like behind
Oh
the
yeah.
tire.
Those lines that run underneath it, you know what they might be?
What?
Is power steering.
Yeah.
And now power steering fluid is the same in these as the transmission. Like from the factory, you're supposed to put the ATF in it.
Yeah,
So he could have got it mixed up.
that's possible.
Now keep your eye on the fluids for sure, but it's probably okay.
Seems like it's doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. So far, so good.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that footage. I know there wasn't too much to it, but I thought it turned out pretty funny. I'm still new to the whole vlogging thing, as you know. I'm usually here at home working on a project, and I'm better at filming that kind of stuff than I am that. Nevertheless, it's still a lot of fun to do, so I decided to screw it, and I don't really care. I just wanted to put it up for you guys. A little update on things going on here though. Talked about my dad having his shoulder surgery not long ago, and he's doing like way better now. He's pretty much back to normal, other than not really being able to use his arm for a little bit longer. He's even excited about the next flip project, and he wants to go with me when I look at it or when I buy it. So I'm really happy about that. Also been finally doing some stuff to the rig here, the editing setup and everything, changing it up a little bit. I just bought this new keyboard, which I'll be talking about more in the future, but it's got lights in it, and like since I was like a kid, I always wanted one of those fancy light up keyboards, and I finally sent it and bought one. I don't know, that was like a little bit of a motivation burst, doing little stuff like that, kind of treating yourself sometimes. You gotta do it. I love this thing. I can change the colors and everything, and the speed at which they do things. Can make it do a fade in and out, or set it to one particular color. It's pretty fun. Also got a new mouse with it to match it, and it's actually decent. I would love my old Corsair Harpoon mouse for like gaming and editing and everything, but this one is really nice. And one cool thing is it actually has a thing that pops out of the bottom here, and you can add or remove these little weights that it comes with to make the mouse feel different and feel exactly how you want it to. So I was pretty excited about that little pickup. I'm actually working on getting our new computer rig here too. I've been trying to decide how much to spend and how far to go, but I decided to go all out with it, I think, for now. And we're gonna be getting a really nice new editing rig. It's gonna help a ton with the video production end of things. Probably gonna help me make videos quicker too, and yeah, I'm just really excited for the progress that we're making. And like I said, I got like 3 videos I'm working on right now for you guys, and 3 different projects I'm working on, so I'm really excited. It's been really busy, and I've just been focused on all of this stuff so much. I don't care. This is my life. This is what I do, and I love it. And I want to thank you guys as always for the opportunity to make these videos. You guys are seriously the best, and I love our little community. But again, I hope you enjoy more informal and I guess more personal videos showing kind of when I'm not serious working on a project and making that style of video, when I'm just frogging around and having fun with some homies and just doing other stuff. Again, hit the thumbs up button if you do enjoy, and I hope I can continue to make this kind of video even better for you guys as time goes on and as I continue to make them occasionally. But anyways guys, I guess that's enough of an update and enough for this one. New PT/GT video should be up next within the next couple days, and it's gonna be a good one, so you won't want to miss it. Thanks again for watching guys. You rock. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.